If you like gym, wasted muscles, now what for you? Shout out to JJ Jollof. You know, this is a proof that you can be big for nothing. You understand? If you watch this video very well, if you now watch the fight well, when I see say the guy just try stop the fight, stop the argument, he just because he don't look and say man to man, Jollof that person is supposed to wage about senior Jollof and Jollof feed down for lip. Boah! You know, before I call your old Jollof, they call us the night tiny Jollof. Now some of them they say the tiny Jollof, they do this one, they do that one. Una be mumu. On a normal, say worry boy. You get many of una. When go see that kind person with the kind statue, body structure, una go quiet. He tell una say shut up your mouth, I go call beat for them. Una go quiet because na no one beat. But we will not fear anything. We come up against anything. We will not feel intimidated. But see, what Jollof survivor instincts.
This thing very excessive talk for this video. Now 100% true. Now Jollof win this fight. Yes, let's say the truth. Somebody like Jollof come against VDM, heavyweight class versus lightweight, and he survive. VDM blow. In short, now he first blow VDM, first attack. VDM not that him bite him. Still survive VDM. So people they say him bite VDM. Now street fight, and I define rules and regulation for street fight. Street fight, now anything you see, anything goes. And he still survive. That Epa, you're rugged. You're a very rugged man. Forget the rematch, you, because we no say for rematch. If you ever happen again, if you be another case, but for now, you win. Yes. Yes, I know say Rates they go verse for this video. But that guy survived. Make and I give kudos. That guy is you know how many years that guy did? You know how many years VDM did? Plus the body and everything. He still come out, survive. Kudos to him. Would they wait for the rematch? Maybe this time space go there. No, nobody go. Funny bone no go separate.